For your tires to be safe, did you know that they not only have to have plenty of tread left on them, but they also can be too old? Let me show you how you can quickly check. We are going to look for a 4-digit date code to find out. Manufacturers typically recommend replacing your tires after they are 6 years of age, with 10 years being the absolute maximum. You really don't want to get to that point. Over here, there it is. There are 4 digits inside this stadium shape. 25, that's the year that the tire was manufactured in, 2025. 34 is the 34th week of the year. That means that this tire, as of the time of this video, is less than a year old. That's still good. Let's do another example. Here you can see that this tire is manufactured in the 47th week of the year 2019. That puts this tire at being almost 7 years old. It's time to replace that one. Remember, tires are the only 4 places where your car actually touches the road. And when your tires get old, not only are they more likely to have problems like bulging, but they also become more brittle and they don't grip as well. So that's why it's important to replace them in time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and leave a comment down below.